Here are some key expressions from the speech, along with explanations and examples. Number 1. Unlocking doors to a world of possibilities. Explanation. This means that learning English can open up numerous opportunities in various aspects of life, such as career, education, and personal growth. Example. By learning English, you are unlocking doors to a world of possibilities, from studying abroad to advancing your career. Number 2. Bridging gaps, forging connections, and embracing diversity. Explanation. This expression emphasizes how learning English helps connect people from different cultures and backgrounds, fostering understanding and acceptance. Example. English bridges gaps between cultures, allowing us to forge connections and embrace diversity in our global community. Number 3. Encounter challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Explanation. This phrase acknowledges that the learning process involves difficulties and obstacles, which are normal parts of the journey. Example. When learning a new language, you will encounter challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt, but perseverance will lead you to success. Number 4. Every stumble is a step closer to success. Every hurdle a chance to grow stronger. Explanation. This means that making mistakes and facing difficulties are essential parts of the learning process that contribute to growth and improvement. Example. Remember, every stumble is a step closer to success, and every hurdle you overcome makes you stronger. Number 5. Rome wasn't built in a day. This idiom means that important tasks take time to complete and that patience and persistence are essential. Example. Learning English takes time and effort. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day. Number 6. Unwavering determination. Explanation. This means having a steadfast and persistent resolve to achieve a goal despite difficulties. Example. With unwavering determination, you can overcome any obstacles in your language learning journey. Number 7. Part of a global community united by a common language. Explanation. This expression highlights the idea that learning English connects you to a worldwide network of people who speak the same language